Well, hey everybody, it's Sean from Our Vision Nomadic Living. We've had our electric bikes quite literally for 2 years. 2 days ago, I don't even know why it took me so long, I went ahead and installed a Zoom suspension post on Angie's bike. Took it for one quick ride and said, why in the world did I wait this long? Ordered another Zoom post and I'm going to be installing it on my bike. But what you have to do is you have to remove the bracket from the bike seat itself, because the Zoom post comes with a bracket that attaches just to these rails. Tools necessary to complete this project are a 14mm ratchet and socket or an end wrench, and you might need both to take off the seat post bracket, and a 5mm Allen head. We're going to remove the seat from the post. We're going to take this whole assembly right off. Here goes the old seat post, and then this bracket here just comes apart. We're not going to need that anymore. So as you can see, the new Zoom post. The bracket's a little bit different, so we're going to take an Allen head, we're going to undo these, and we're going to reinstall this bracket which attaches on these rails on the seat. These two pieces that will sandwich down onto the rails. So here we have the bottom of the seat. So effectively this piece is going to sit like this. This piece is going to sit here. And depending on how you sandwich that together, it will change the angle of that seat. So having already done this, I know I want that lip right here to stick out a little bit further. Then the two 5mm bolts are going to go in from the top, and it's going to sandwich that all together. You know, this is going to go down through here, through this bracket, and sandwich into the upper bracket. I want the brackets slid as far forward to allow the seat a little bit more distance to the rear of the bike. I know that I want the post itself to be kind of tilted to the front like this, so that this isn't sticking up and crotching Angie as she's riding the bike. And voila! We have now attached that Zoom post, the Cloud 9 seat. So this post right here came out of the bike that I received in August of 2019. And of course then we ordered the black bike. I made a video about it at the time of some of the differences, and the fact that the black bike had markings on the seat post and the white bike had not, but did not realize until taking it apart that the post itself was somewhat much different in length. And now we've got our new Zoom post. And as I said, I'm actually going to install this one in Angie's bike because it matches her bike better. Take this silver posted one, put it back in mine. Now, one of the things is that the posts themselves are 31.8 from the factory. These Zoom posts you can get in 31.6. So I'm going to have to tighten this clamp up a little bit more so that when I use the lever to secure the post down, that it'll give it enough bite to hold the post. This one, we're going to swap it over onto this bike. This one back down on Angie's bike. That's about where I had it set when she took it for a test drive the other day. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. I can't believe it took me 2 years to order that $30 Zoom suspension Post off of Amazon. I'll put a link to the description below for the parts. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe and follow Angie, Jazz, and I on our journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you down the road.